Hi all, welcome to Techbox.
Five common mistakes that are slowing down your Wi-Fi. You don't need to struggle through yet another year of bad Wi-Fi. These simple, fixable mistakes might be the reason your connection stinks. 1. You let freeloaders use your network. Do you know exactly which devices are using your connection? If your Wi-Fi isn't password protected, you need to fix that. 2. Your router is old or in the wrong place, using a router that's years old. It might be hamstringing your connection and putting your security at risk. There's also the matter of where to put your router. Don't stick it on the floor in a closet or far away from where most internet use happens. 3. You don't pay for enough bandwidth. You may not require blazing internet speeds depending on how much you do at home. You'll be okay with lower speeds if you're streaming content on one device and primarily checking email and social media from your phone. If your home is full of smart and connected devices, you need enough bandwidth to support them. Here are some general guidelines to get started. If you only have a few devices connected to your Wi-Fi and use your network primarily for web browsing, a plan with 10 megabits per second should be enough. If you watch many videos and download tons of media, 25 megabits per second should be good for you. For lots of high-quality streaming and online gaming, you'll need 100 megabits per second or more. You'll do well with 500 megabits per second for simultaneous streaming, online gaming and downloads on many devices. Keep an eye on your data. Tab. 4. You never change the channel. Moving to a different channel for your router is an easy tweak to up your speed. This step is beneficial if you're tuned to that 2.4 GHz frequency. Moving from one channel to a less crowded one may help speed things up. 5. Kids are downloading a bunch of gaming updates and videos. When you're trying to join a video call for work, the last thing you want is your kid downloading a colossal game update in the next room. This eats up a lot of bandwidth, and you'll both end up frustrated. To make things run smoother, schedule updates and big downloads for 1 a.m. when everyone is asleep or should be.
Please subscribe to Techbox, don't forget to share.